guys, welcome back to the channel and I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm gonna talk about one of my favorite supplements in this video. This is going to be a review of a product I am using for 3-4 months every single day, and I really want you to know about it. And this is wheatgrass juice powder. And if you just find my channel today, then this is not my usual videos, but generally I'm doing keto and intermittent lifestyle videos, recipes without sugar, preservatives, gluten. It's a very clean eating recipes and very easy and quick to do. So if you would like to have that, then stick around and hit the red subscribe button. And I also share my weight loss journey and tips and how-tos about keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. So I am stuck on eating veggies, and I had to find a way to get in the needed veggies because I want to stay on this lifestyle on a healthy way. And you need to know that wheatgrass juice powder able to replace some of your veggies. And I will give you on the end of this video the measurements, how much spoons of this wheatgrass juice powder you need to replace X amount of cups of veggies. And this is what I am doing, so this is the reason I drink this. On the other hand, because I do this for 3-4 months now, I observed some of the great health benefits of wheatgrass juice powder, and I thought it's good that you know about it. And has the ability to help you with ulcers. It's healing your skin in and out, so it's perfect for this. If you have a burn or radiation burn or anything like this, wheatgrass juice powder is very good for that as well. It helps to improve your glucose level, therefore it's helping to improve your insulin resistance. And if you start out on a keto and intermittent lifestyle, I can highly recommend to drink daily wheatgrass juice powder. It will make the transition way quicker than without it. It also reduces toxicity in the blood and helps you to just stay healthy. It helps to clean the liver. It's packed with all the minerals, enzymes and vitamins you could just think about. It's like one shot of healthy shake every day. It's also good for people who are recovering from chemotherapy. It helps to handle a secondary inflammation. And also if you are getting a lot of x-rays or CAT scans and you are exposed to a lot of radiation, then wheatgrass juice powder is mandatory for you because it has the ability to go into the cells and help them to recover, repair the damage what those radiation caused to healthy cells as well. So this is just one little portion of health benefits what wheatgrass juice powder does. And I also observed on myself that I sleep better from wheatgrass juice powder. I am less craving. Like if I get like any cravings, it's for wheatgrass juice powder, to be honest. Like if I miss my wheatgrass juice powder a day, then I am like, oh my god, I need my wheatgrass juice powder. And there is one brand I really love and recommend, and I am not being paid at all to recommend this from the company. I get commission from Amazon if you buy it from there, but not from the original company. And that's Dr. Eric Burke's wheatgrass juice powder. He has two types. One is without lemon. If you are a super mega healthy person, then probably you like this one, but it tastes like grass, so it's very grass type of stuff. And this one is with lemon. This is what I like because you can add extra lemon ice, and then it's a super nice refreshing lemonade type of thing, and it's just super good for you. And what you need to know, if you don't choose this brand for any reason, you choose another brand, just watch for it that you choose a wheatgrass juice powder and not a wheatgrass powder. The reason is because wheatgrass juice powder is a concentrate, all the fiber is removed, so it's easier to absorb, and like it's 2000% more concentrated than to take just the powder form. So it's way better for you on wheatgrass juice powder form than just powder form. So yeah, that's wheatgrass juice powder. And now I'm gonna show you how I make my own wheatgrass juice powder and how much veggies you can replace with it. And I hope this video was useful for those of you who don't like veggies as much as other people do. And if you wanna see more of my videos, then hit the red subscribe button and see you in my next video. Bye bye!